Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 1 of your 30-day Danish learning challenge, and we're starting with the most important part of any language, saying hello like a real Dane. By the end of this class, you'll sound natural, friendly, and confident when greeting anyone in Denmark. Let's get started. First, we'll see today's vocabulary words. These are today's vocabulary words. Please memorize them. I am reading them once for your pronunciation support. Hi means hi. Hi means bye. God day means good day. God morgen means good morning. God aften means good evening. Please make sure to memorize these words. Now coming to the main part of our today's lesson. Number 1, hi, the Danish hi. This is the most commonly used greeting in Denmark. It's short, friendly, and perfect for any situation. Use it with friends, coworkers, or strangers, everywhere. Number 2, hi, the Danish bye. Yes, Danes use hi to say goodbye. Same word, doubled, different meaning. Super easy. Number 3, god day, formal good day. Use this when you want to sound polite, especially in shops or offices. Number 4, god morgen, good morning. A warm and polite way to greet someone before noon. Number 5, god aften, good evening. A calm, natural greeting used after sunset. Danes speak softly and naturally. They don't exaggerate the words, so keep your tone light, relaxed, and friendly. If you smile while saying these greetings, it sounds even more natural. So, tice it for today. Next day, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in Danish. Thanks for watching.